Hello, I'm Julie Williams, Registered Migration Agent with Migration Down Under, and I'm going to be talking to you about some of the changes that have occurred from the 18th of November 2017 and some changes that were proposed but haven't occurred just yet. Firstly, that is the temporary long stay parent visa for parents of Australian permanent residents and citizens. That was due to come in from November of this year. Unfortunately, that has been delayed as the relevant bill hasn't passed through the Parliament yet. So that's probably due to be passed either later this year or early next year, and that will no doubt come into effect from March 2018. So unfortunately for those of you that were hanging out for that parent visa, you've just got to wait that little bit longer. There's also been ups and downs with Australian citizenship. It's been a real topic of conversation, and as you may well be aware, as of the 18th of October, the changes that were put forward to the Parliament didn't go through, and so the legislation hasn't changed as far as citizenship is concerned. In fact, when we were at a conference the other week, the director of that particular section said they received 8,000 new citizenship applications just in the space of 2 weeks. So if you are eligible, I don't delay, get your citizenship in, because if you've been living here for 4 years and 1 year as a permanent resident, you still are eligible to apply. They are looking at presenting the changes back through to Parliament again at the end of this year. And any changes that may occur will not occur until July 2018. So as I said, if you're eligible for citizenship, don't delay, get it in, especially if you are one of those lucky people that can hold dual citizenship, then there's no reason not to apply for it now. Other changes that have occurred from 18th of November have been those for character. If you've had a problem in the past with character changes, then there's a lot stricter provisions for that. That may see somebody having to wait 10 years before you're eligible for another visa for Australia, whereas previously it was possibly 1 year or 3 years. It's a lot longer to wait. There's also additional requirements for anyone that's on any type of visa. Anyone that applies for a visa from 18th of November 2017 must maintain a single identity with all government bodies. So for example, if it's a passport with the Department of Immigration, the Australian Tax Office, banks, everybody needs to have that same form of identification. And if you change your passport, you must update it with the department. Other things, changes with identity are also, with temporary residency, is maintaining health insurance and also having no debts to the Commonwealth as far as health is concerned, or any other debt to the Commonwealth in that matter. If you haven't made arrangements to pay it off or paid it off, you may have problems applying for another type of temporary visa. There's also been changes with the partner visa application process. If previously you were able to apply online or paper-based, and now it is only online. You can't apply paper-based at all, and the only option is online. And also, if you do apply online and don't attach your supporting evidence, then you can risk refusal. The department are coming down quite hard on this because they're getting a number of applications without any supporting evidence, which is causing the delay and the backlog with processing of applications. So be assured that, make certain that you do get it right. But if there's any further information on some of these changes, don't hesitate in getting in touch with us, either via email, info@migrationdownunder.com, or giving us a call if you're here in Australia on 02 9419 5411.